mogoka donje kaontino. Na sirko ni kadabero ni wach ohan mogoka yando sechwale do ka kaonti oginyali yie maneno ni ohan mogoka dhi nyime kaka pile. Kalore gi midieche moko ni mogoka kelo ne jogo matiyo kode. Magi owache nyasi mar yango odiochieng' kedo gi dang'ni maparo kod ngima mar obwongo. Mabende ne oyangore ni thoth jotich osebedo ka kale midhiero mag dang'ni mag paro.
Asante sana. Chief Officer Jibril,
intervene in the mental health space, more space.
Tunatarajia mwaka ujao.
That is where we are going now.
The World Health Organization estimated 15% of working adults suffer from mental health disorders at any given time. Yet, despite staggering figures, the workplace often remains silent on this issue. Many employees fear the stigma or repercussions of speaking out about their mental health challenges.
You have a friend, you have a colleague who has been affected by mental health. And the statistics that has been mentioned here is a reason why the Department of Health, allow me, Excellency, to appreciate the department for taking the lead in terms of preparing these policies together with the team from the various departments to develop policies for the county government of Mombasa.
Hivi tunavyoongea, mimi najua wazi ya kwa hawa jamaa wenye kuleta mogoka kwa sababu kesi bado haijamalizika wanatumia zile panya routes. DG na county secretary tukimaliza tu hapa, kwa sababu tumezungumza sasa na kuzungumza wale wafanyakazi ambao kwamba wanafaa kuhakikisha ya kwa hivi vitu haviingii, sahi tayari wanaona ya kwa wanalegeza effect transfers of those people with immediate effect.
Nyakwa Ramogi, Kenya Eratil.
Raila has a space to say what Gima Jakom Dwawacho.
The opposition, not the Nyake Supreme Court.
Oliet Nyakwa Ramogi.
Jumapil ka Jumapil.
Ana chungo mama kratil kadel war piny.
Ka adwani wa discuss kaka Kenya dhi.
Winj tuak magoratil piny.
One was a no opposition. One was a no opposition 50 years.
Mayo kiparka kele wich bar moro.
UDA onge kama pose donje. Adwani penje bati. Koso donje kona mane.
Sachiel gi nus otieno.
Siasa mar piny Kenya en siasa